안녕하세요 여러분, 제 이름은 디바예요. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diva and we are still learning conjugation today. However, we are wrapping up with present tense. Today we are learning past tense and we are actually going to do all three politeness levels in past tense. So that is casual, polite, and formal. We're going to cover all of these today. I know it's going to seem like a lot, but if you actually look at the times of this video, like the length of it, you're going to say, this doesn't seem long enough for a video. Well, that's because it's not that hard actually, especially since it's still following the same, that casual kind of mimics polite minus the yo. You'll see that here too. So without further ado, let's get started and go. We're going to continue covering conjugation today. This time we're going to be talking about the past tense in all three forms of politeness. Let's do a quick recap of the endings. Unfortunately, because there are too many rules, we won't be recapping them. If you do need help, please check the description at the bottom for a quick repeat. In the present tense, we had polite endings. These ended with yo. Casual endings. There are no casual endings. It's the same conjugation as polite conjugations minus the yo. Formal endings. For vowels, ㅅnot, and for consonants, ㅅnot. Now we'll move on to the past tense endings. All of the conjugation rules you've learned will still apply for past tense. One way you can tell immediately if a word is in past tense is by the ending. You're going to get tired of hearing this phrase, double ㅅ followed by all. Let's cover polite form since that's the one I encourage beginners to use the most. Remember, you're still going to follow the exact same conjugation rules you've been learning with something new. Do you remember how these words are conjugated? Take a few moments, pause the video, and try conjugating these on your own. You can use any notes you've taken so far. 1. 먹다. 2. 가다. 3. 춥다. 4. 말하다. So now we have 먹어요, 가요, 주워요, and 말해요. However, these are all in the present tense. In order for these to be the past tense, we need to add a double ㅅ followed by an all before 요. Remember, this is polite, so our conjugation still needs to end in 요. These turn into 먹었어요, 먹었어요, ate, 갔어요, 갔어요, went, 추웠어요, 추웠어요, was cold, 말했어요, 말했어요, said or talked. As you can see, the conjugations stay exactly the same. To the conjugated word, just add a double ㅅ and all, then add yo to be polite. The exact same thing can be done in casual speech minus the yo. Try conjugating these words in both polite and casual past tense. Pause the video for more time. 1. 나오다. 2. 맵다. 3. 예쁘다. 4. 잡다. These turn into 나왔어, 나왔어요, 매워서, 매웠어요, 예뻐서, 예뻤어요, 잡아서, 잡았어요. The conjugations are exactly the same minus the polite ending. Now, if you're guessing that formal works the exact same way, you'd be wrong. Remember when we learned formal and we actually didn't conjugate the words? We just checked to see if our word ended in a vowel or a consonant and decided if it should end with ㅅnot or ㅅnot. It works a bit differently in past tense. The good news is it works exactly the same like polite and casual. Past tense formal is the only time you will conjugate an adjective or verb in formal speech. Please engrave that into your brain. Again, Past tense formal is the only time you will conjugate an adjective or verb in formal speech. Now, this will still have a formal ending. Because past tense words end in a double shiat, which is a consonant, it will end in 씁니다. So, 하다 will become 했습니다. Notice that it is conjugated. Try conjugating these words on your own and pause the video for more time. 맞다, 웃다, 아름답다, 좋다, 싫어하다, 만들다. Please pause the video now for more time. I will now give you the answers going from casual to formal. 맞아서, 맞았어요, 맞았습니다, 웃어서, 웃었어요, 웃었습니다, 아름다웠어, 아름다웠어요, 아름다웠습니다, 좋았어, 좋았어요, 좋았습니다. 만들었어, 만들었어요, 만들었습니다,